how to use Google Sheets. So basically, if you want to use Google Sheets, it's very, very simple to do so. All you have to do is, first of all, you want to open your browser, and here you have Sheets, right? Now, Sheets has so many capabilities that there is just not just one thing that you can do. I use it on my work to sort out keywords and other stuff, and you can also use it to add, subtract, just simply add details and save some kind of work over here. If you look at the top, first of all, we can begin by naming this particular sheet right here. And from here, you can go to file, you can create a new sheet, open, import, copy it. You can go to edit, you can go to view, insert, format, data, tools, extensions, and so on. And this way, you'll be able to go ahead and then basically use Google Sheets, and you can also highlight some of the text or whatever else it is that you prefer. You can choose a bold text, you can change font, you can even do addition or subtraction. So let's say I want to do 90 plus 40. I hit enter, there you'll be able to see the results. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.